This video documents a series of working clips from the project The Forming Show, offering an introduction and a glimpse into the unfolding of the creative process. Through this self-recorded work log, I explore the relationship between manufacturing and myself. For me, the making process is not merely about producing objects. It includes the process of thinking, a quiet dialogue between the mind and the material. Whenever I found myself repeating the same task again and again, I began to question the boundary between myself and the machine. What role does technology play in the design process? What role do materials play in shaping the narrative? And ultimately, what is the role of the artist within it all? I keep making the same thing over and over again. Mechanical steps, calculating time, measuring temperature, controlling the process, checking the flow and correcting them. Precision becomes a rhythm. Eventually, I clean up and begin again. I operate like a production system, but I am not a machine. I hesitate. I get distracted. I make mistakes. I'm not perfect. A mode is a fixed negative form designed to repeatedly produce identical objects. It offers certainty. It promises order, efficiency, and perfection. Wax is a sensitive material. Time and temperatures are the tools to tame it. Other factors, such as pressure and gravity, also affects its form. It can be liquid or solid, or even in between. It flows, it expands, it shrinks, and it solidifies. It slips between control and freedom. Perhaps the idea of the arrow is man-made. Perfection was defined in the frame first, and only then did mistake begin to exist. I'll say it again. I'm not a machine. In the repetition of the mechanical making process, I see my flaws, my weakness, my human edges. When everything is perfect, perfection becomes ordinary, predictable, and expected. But in the world that demands flawlessness, I see the uniqueness of those mistakes. They carry something honest, something alive. I'm not a machine. I make mistakes, and I'm not perfect. I embrace imperfection. I welcome uncertainty. I celebrate the forms that digs outside the mold.